Why is our website still very slow? Why are you looking at me again? Why is it that in every company people will always blame IT first? The tech guy is always the stupid one. Why don't you look at your marketing guy? He's literally treating our landing page like it's his personal TikTok, and he's posting so many silly videos on the landing page and 4K quality. Okay, guys, actually, I think I fixed the issue. Okay, I'm starting to get offended here. Are you calling my masterpieces of content an issue? But there's no way we can fix this problem with the amount of content he's overwhelming the website with. Sarah AI, can you explain?
He gave me all your source codes and marketing campaigns, as well as your Instagram transactions history. And I built a high conversion, high loading speed site.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
You just cut down my cost. What? You're fired. It has been very clear that AI is on a rampage, replacing all humans, as well as for the startup world, it's been doing a very good job at replacing SaaS startups. Anything that human does digitally is being automated and taken by AI. There is an armada of AI there out on the internet, not just talking ChatGPT. There's so many different types of them. They are taking over the world of software as a service. According to Moore's law, we know that computing power doubles every 2 years. According to the CEO of Microsoft, AI power is now doubling every 6 months. 6 months ago, people were making so much fun of AI capabilities in image and video generation. It was not that good, and the outcome was a bit funny. Today, it's much more powerful. Just 2 days ago, I was in a WhatsApp group of many artists who have a lot of art businesses, and they were all crying how AI is killing their industry. AI image generation and video generation has become so good, it's much faster than real artists, and we just recently saw what happened with Ghibli Studios and how AI is immediately, instantly, within 5 seconds, 10 seconds, creating a Ghibli style cartoon picture of you. What would take them before hours and days and years to perfect a single animated scene in that. Today you take that cartoon image and you put it on Hedra AI and suddenly you create your own animation, and it takes nothing more than 10 minutes to do. Previously, that would take them a year to do. For the past 10 years, we lived in a myth where we believed that automation, computers, and AI would never replace human creativity. It would replace labor and humans when it comes to manual work, routine work, repetitive work. However, that's not true. Today, it is creative. It replaces human creativity, and it does it really well, beyond expectation. Whether it's drawing, filmmaking, or even music. And come to think about it, there are so many tools that does it today. Whether it's Canva, Midjourney, ChatGPT itself, Hedra when it comes to video creation. But the danger part is they can actually talk to each other. We can cross-prompting between them. ChatGPT can explain an exact prompt that Midjourney or Canva AI take, then you take that and you put it on Hedra. They have the ability to build on top of each other, creating even a more super AI. This brings me to the most important question. Are we doomed? If the question in your mind is AI going to replace me, then you are doomed. You're going to be replaced. But if the question that came to your mind first was, how can I use AI to make more money? Then it will not replace you. While AI is actually wiping out all the software and it is taking it over, automating everything out there. And if you're a person whose your work is purely on emails and is routine, you're getting replaced by AI very soon. However, one thing AI cannot replace is physical world. AI will never be able to produce food that feeds you, to create lands to live on, or a house to live in. Maybe AI can create more cryptocurrencies, but AI cannot create gold or silver, cannot create physical assets or traditional businesses. AI cannot wash your car yet. While AI remains a digital thing, and it did not merge with physical bodies, as in robots, for example, in real life, to do manual labor work, then AI is only wiping out digital solutions, software as a service companies, and startups. However, it cannot take over a farm, a land, real estate properties, things that still are valuable to humans, and AI cannot touch them. However, if that is your business, you can optimize and boost your operations by AI, increasing your revenue by just optimizing your operation and making it faster. Maybe humans will not need CRMs and ERPs because AI will just do things for you, but humans will always need food, land to live in, and medicine to take. AI is giving back power to traditional businesses, so this is the time for you to look into that asset class. Traditional businesses before have been looked at as the boring businesses to do, but today, with the power of AI, you can build anything without even having a background in those fields. Even if you have a routine 9 to 5 job that you're working every day and it's very important to you, then think of how can you use AI today to amplify your productivity. Because if you don't do that, your boss is going to find someone who will. If you're a founder building a new startup today, there is a new way to do things. Now, you build your team hierarchy with AI first, meaning I am the CEO of the company, and then under me is a team of AIs first. So my AI developer, my AI marketeer, my AI lawyer, my AI accountant, I'm looking at where are the gaps that cannot be done where I need a human to come in. That helps you build a more efficient business without burning too much cash. You would be surprised how experienced AI can be today in any field that you want them to do. But there is a major downside to AI, which is it's a reactive entity, meaning it does not perform until triggered. An AI like ChatGPT will never talk to you unless you talk to it. So it cannot come up with an idea overnight and come in the morning, hey, listen, how about we do this or that? You have to prompt it first. As much as that seems like an issue, but if you think about it, today we have some tools like Make or Zapier. You can connect your customer interactions with AI and make it perform. Just like very basic example would be customer support AI. But that relies on input coming from the customer. But what if you give your marketeer input coming from Google Analytics, for example, of the number of clicks that happen being sent to your marketeer AI to give you, for example, advice on your conversion funnel and how to improve it based on Google Analytics performance. And this is happening live. And what if your marketing AI responses are coming out now because of Google Analytics triggering it, and then it's being sent again by Zapier or Make to your AI developer, who then recommends the right way to build your website against those behaviors that happen from the customers and how to fix certain issues or glitches. You can make different AIs talk to each other with those automation tools based on an initial trigger happening by the customer when they are using your tools or softwares. Then now, once you're feeling overwhelmed by so many AI entities working for you, this is when you look to what I call your AI human maestro. So looking for the human expert, and that is a skill that I think will be very on demand in the future or today actually. A human that is able to manage different AI entities at the same time for you, buying you back your time, instead of hiring an army of humans that will bleed your budget. Regardless whether you think it's ethical or not, be the master of AI before AI replaces you.